So the video I'm going to be showing to you guys now is something that I will tag as a video that is emotional, that actually got me emotional, and something that actually broke me down the first time I watched it. Is from a subscriber on YouTube that wants to learn how to make money with book publishing, and she sent me this video doing some explanations. Let's watch, the video.
Good morning. So I came out to make this video. I want you to see me. As in, I believe this is the only way I can be real. So I need help. This is me in my room now. I want to talk to you in a place where I can really express myself. Like right now, I'm supposed to have gone out, but I made up my mind. I said today, let me talk to you. They say a closed mouth is a closed destiny. Yeah. Maybe I should tell you one or two things just to know me. I'm Annabelle. A part of me is from Kaduna State, and a part of me is Igbo. I'm an NCA holder. Yeah, I'm residing in my mother's village. Okay. I've been following you. This is my 1 year of coming to YouTube. I don't really know what it means writing, but I discovered I need help. I'm finding it difficult to pay that 15,000. Maybe because of location or anything. Things are so hard. My school, I teach with one Catholic school. They managed to start paying us 12,000 because of the new priest they brought. So he increased our earnings to 12,000. And also, I know you're not asking me to talk about my personal life, but I want to say one or two things at least so that you know why it's difficult. Based on my location, I'm in the rural area, and that's the only thing. I'm a single mom with a failed marriage, so things have not really been easy. Staying in the village for how many years? I've ever think of something that will take me to the town. I think of doing businesses like POS, but the money to start it. So, sir, I'm begging you. Let me be one of the beggars. This KDP, I really want to join. I don't know if you can permit me into your mentorship. Then let me start paying instrumentally. Should I say two or 3,000? Actually, I'm not even sure to say let me be giving you that 3,000 every month. I don't know how you're going to do it, but I need assistance. Please consider me. I don't know any reason why you should consider me, but just find a place in your heart and consider me. This is all I can say. For the sake of anything you believe, for I don't know, you may not be doing it for people. Why should I even come and ask you to help me? Please just help me. This is what I am asking. Please, things are difficult. I'm not saying this is going to be for free. I don't even want it for free, but I'm just faced to come and beg. And I've thought of it for a long time, following you on YouTube every time. So something touches me to say that since yesterday, and I couldn't. Today, I said, oh, if there is man to pray, there is God to answer. And God now cannot come and do it for me. Like those days God do it. Now he does it through somebody. So like now, after God there is another person. Our parents are God because they took care of us. So in this case now, for me to survive, I see
So
you
you
as a
guys
God.
you've seen the video, okay? And there are a lot of people like this. There are a lot of people like this out there that genuinely needs help. And one of the reasons why I do what I do, and I always create videos on YouTube. First of all, if you look at the description of my YouTube channel, you'll see that I have a goal to help 5 million persons make at least, become a millionaire, understand how money works, understand how to make, manage, and multiply money. You get. Now, this, if you listen to, what she said, first of all, she's living in a rural area. Secondly, she has been following me on YouTube for over a year now. She doesn't know how to, gather the courage to come and speak to me to get into my mentorship. She genuinely wants to make payments for, the mentorship. And when she's talking about this, it was when I was running, a promo. The course has not even been built up to this point, when I was running that promo of 15,000. Now the course is like fully packed with informations, out of this world information, that can turn you into a beast publisher that will make crazy amount of money with information in it. And she, that was when I was running that 15,000 naira discount, and she could not afford it at that time. And you get. And she's also, if you listen to her, she said if this woman actually has the money, she will make the payment. But one thing I actually love about her, because she later came to my WhatsApp and we talked a lot. And one thing I have learned, as someone who grew from nothing, because I'm this person that, I also came from a rural area. I came to the city. I had no money, but I found my way, to make money. For a matter of fact, the first year, I did over 14 million naira making money. You understand? I started with, the story is crazy, but the story is crazy. I started with, most of the money I made that year was online. And I was just like a middleman. That was the year I bought my first laptop. That was 2016. I was just like a middleman, helping people make money, through a platform. I was getting commissions. I was also getting paid for my services. I was making quick money. You understand? And I'm this kind of person that I learn very fast. So when I see people like this who are hungry to really, make money and better their life because they don't have, I encourage them. When she came to my DM, you must pay a sacrifice. There is a mentor I have who always says, if you don't pay, you won't pay attention. So I told her to commit something that I'm willing to help her. You understand? I'm willing to help her, succeed in this business. You understand? You might not have the money now to make payments for a mentorship. You might have it maybe in the next few months, but having the intention to save for it is, the right mindset for you to carry. Don't ever go to someone and tell them to give you something for free. It's either you are offering them something to get access for that stuff, or you are paying for it. Free stuffs, you won't value it. No matter your condition, if I gave this woman access for free, she won't value it, no matter the condition that she is, because there was nothing that came out of her, to get that information. I've actually tried it with people around me. It didn't work. So I just said, anything that has to do with money making, there must be a price to pay. And she paid a little token. When she sent this money, I just laughed. It was after she sent me this, like 2 months after this, before I received an alert of 2,000 naira from her. And she sent me the screenshot. You understand? Now, I don't normally do this, but I saw her, I connected to her story, and I genuinely wanted to help her. You get? I'm not saying that you should come and cook up a story and come and tell me just because you want to get into my mentorship. I want her to hear that. And you see that money, she will make the complete payment of that money, because that is the price she has to pay. But giving her access to, have to taste a first-hand information of of a knowledge that can transform her life is what I just gave to her. Learn to commit something for success. This is 2026. The country where I'm from, Nigeria, no one is coming to save you. You must have a skill that will in new money. If you don't have a skill, you are doomed. Nigeria is not a country whereby you just sit around, things will be hard for you. You have to learn how to pay that sacrifice. I knew, look, when she was telling me that, when I was watching this video that day she sent it to me, I could connect to it because I knew where I was coming from. I knew I came from a place of lack, and I built a business out of thin air that took over the city in that particular industry. I was running a laundry and dry cleaning business, and this business took over the city of Port Harcourt in the dry cleaning industry. The business became so popular because I was so dedicated to it, and I was also operating this business in a place of knowledge. You understand? I learned a lot of marketing skills. That was how I actually scaled this business from one shop to multiple shops. You get, before I started going online full time, I decided to say, okay, it was online. Now this business is run by managers, and I am fully focused on helping people make money. I'm also focused on writing books that solves people's problem. And you get, so if you are here and you are seeing this video and you are saying, okay, book publishing is that vehicle I want to use to make money, or you are looking for a vehicle, first of all, this business doesn't cost you a lot. The only thing it will cost you today is not the actual price of the course, it's just 20,000 naira, an offer that I will be giving to you today. And this offer remains up to the end of this month. We'll have like 8 days before this month comes to an end. Just like I said in one of my previous videos, I will be increasing the cost to get this course to 100,000 naira after the month of January. Now, this is because of the value and the videos and the content and the improvement that has been made in the course. If you are not getting it right now, you'll be getting it at that cost when the price increases. The thing is that it is the best Amazon KDP course that you can get in Africa. You understand? It is the best Amazon KDP course that you can get in Africa. The reason why I also showed that video, because in the nearest future, I will make a video of her testifying of the value that the course has brought to her life. I'll personally take her by the hands and make sure that she succeeds in this business. You get, the only problem that she might be having is maybe the location that she is staying. Maybe they don't have light to put, for her to write the books. If she can get light and she can get internet, I'll make sure that she succeeds in this business. What you need in this business is, you don't need a lot of things. You just need your smartphone. That your smartphone that you're using to scroll on social media, that is just what you need. Turn that scrolling to writing of books that people are looking for answers to. Upload it on Amazon, upload it on Google Play Book, upload it on Barnes and Noble, upload it on Apple Books, and start making money. You understand? So if you are getting the course, you contact me on WhatsApp or use the link in the description of this video. You have the coupon code there. Once you get to the website, apply the coupon code. It will automatically give you the offer of 20,000. If you are paying in other currencies, it will automatically give you the offer, converted to your local currency, and you make the payment. It will, after making the payment, it will redirect you to my WhatsApp, and you get access to the course. You'll be given access to the course, and you experience real value that will dramatically change your life. As always, I am Value Bank, and I'll be rooting for you all from afar. Remember to contact me on WhatsApp if you are getting the course for the discounted price. Just message me on WhatsApp and say, I want to get the course for the discounted price. And by the way, the 95K 90 days challenge is still on. You will also get access to it. You will also get access to the recorded meetings that we've had already. We are having weekly sections where I show them strategies on how to succeed with this business fast. You also get access to those recordings. You also get access to a Google Playbook course where you learn how to publish on Google Playbooks. The ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint comes with Kobo course. It also comes with Apple Books course. So you also get access to this information. And already, if you are publishing on Amazon and you are looking for a real knowledge on how to succeed with this business, especially how to launch your book when you upload that book, is also covered in the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed.